I'm Kartik. I've got a wife and 2 daughters. Happiness and peace are what I value the most in life, and also to be a conscious citizen of the world that I'm a part of and to give back to it. One of the biggest benefits of the solar battery was the fact that you could consume power that you generate yourself. So we would generate power and store it and then use it when we required it. For almost 4 to 5 months a year, I don't have an energy bill. I just have a credit in my account rather than a debit. As a part of our AGL solar battery deal, we get to be a part of the virtual power plant. So any additional power that we generate, we can give it back to the community, and that's a very empowering thought. I'm also using the AGL app to calculate and track returns on the solar panels and the battery, and the battery started paying back for itself as soon as we started using it. After that, it's all going to be bonus, so it's really cool.